Alright, a little short video. This is the electric harness going to the motor. This plugs into the module, and this plugs into the module. These switches really can't be confused. Here's the module. So that one would go there, and this one would go down there on the bottom. When your GPS arrives, or your torque knob, whichever one you're using, you just take this out and plug it into that. Done. Now this is the plug that supplies the power. So you got some 8-gauge wire in here. One is white and one is black. The white one goes all the way back to your battery, and in between the battery and this, you're going to do a 50 amp fuse, and then the ground, you can run it all the way back to the ground of your battery, or you can ground it somewhere that's got a solid ground on your bus. I don't mean like the firewall, I mean like a solid ground, cleaning off all the material underneath it, making sure that it's nice and clean, and then bolting it down. And then so this gray one goes into the supply, which goes into the module. Coming out of the module, here will be your GPS, and here will be your power supply going to that. And then this is all the little data wires that are telling it what to do, so that will get plugged in right there. Now off the GPS, you'll have a red, a yellow, and a green, I think. One's 12 volt, one's black, red, yellow, and black. One's ground, one's 12 volt, one's 12 volt ignition source. And the ground, you want to do the ground as close to the box as you can. And this box can come apart, so if you want to drill those little spot welds out, you can undo the whole thing and make your own bracket and mount it anywhere you want underneath your bus's dash. Alright, but that's essentially what runs this. Now, when you order your GPS or your torque knob, it's going to come with some detailed instructions. It'll show some exploded views. It'll break down what each of these are and how to look at them, so that you make sure that you don't screw it up and get the wrong one, get them crossed. It talks in great detail about your GPS plug, you know, how to put it in the port, which port to put it in, and then the 3 that you have to connect to your fuse box and a ground and that good stuff. You want to order those little jumpers off of Amazon, so you can go into your fuse block, stick that over your 12 volt ignition source, and then replug in what the original plug was, and then plug your new one in for the GPS. That's what I found the easiest way to do. Plus, you're not cutting your harness apart. I mean, these harnesses, and some of them are 50 some odd years old, 70 years old. Anyway, so that's Electrician 101 in a short. Thanks.